All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Let me check all my angles here. All right, welcome back. CBAT, it's the recipe, baby. It's the recipe. CBAT, battery, smart home, stuff we look for is a little bit higher float, but man, 20 million shares traded already. So guess what we got? Top, dip, and rip as of right now. How many shares did it trade yesterday? I mean, trade a boatload yesterday too. 90 million yesterday. Big breakout this morning. This is exactly what we look for. Not a good company, okay? It's China related. It has all the red flags. Let's check their profitability. Oh, hey, only lost 20 million bucks. That's it. I would have thought they lost more. What's their sales? Hey, awesome. Lost 20 million on 20 million in sales. Well done, CBAT. Well done. You're crushing it. 20 million in sales and 20 million in losses. Oh, crushing it, man. CBAT probably has like a 150 credit score. So anyway, that being said, it's terrible. It's junk. But the volume is there. It has news. It's Friday. It's heavily shorted. We're going to look for a break of 4, probably risk 3. Ideally, post 945. As of now, risk on 350. Ideally post 945, but this has the recipe for a POS Friday squeezer. Pre-market live stream 925. James says we missed you. Yeah, guys. I mean, I think you guys can tell. I'm assuming you guys can tell. I love doing this stuff. I really do. It bummed me out to miss yesterday. But what happened, and not to spend too much time on it, it's the dumbest excuse. Well, it's not even an excuse. It's the dumbest reason ever. I had an appointment to get my truck cleaned, and I scheduled it 2 weeks ago, and I completely forgot about it. So the guy called me at like 8:20. So anyway, I missed it. I missed you guys. SAVA. Ooh, what do we got? What's SAVA doing in pre? Ho. Look who's green on a Friday. Look who is green on a Friday. Man, I tell you, no volume. Okay, only 50,000 shares traded, but I mean, I think we get a afternoon 1050 break. You risk probably whole dollar, half dollars, simple stuff. A 1050 afternoon break with risk down on 10. As always, nothing guaranteed. Nothing guaranteed in trading. Nothing guaranteed in life. Nothing guaranteed in anything. But this stock, it's just, and I brought it up yesterday. It just will not die. I mean, this thing is, and listen, if you get 1050, you get 1050, you probably get a new 52-week high into a Friday afternoon. Woo! Could definitely be interesting. SUNW, how's she doing this morning? Oops, I gotta take my notes. SAVA. Maybe. I'm gonna say maybe. Top afternoon watch. This rips through 1050. I think you get something interesting with a decent risk to reward. Oh, SUNW. Yesterday's big mover. Gapping down 20%. It's basically the same level I was watching yesterday. That 7 level. So if you were here yesterday for the daily briefing over on my personal Instagram, same plan. Same plan. So SUNW, probably dead. Big gap down. Oh, by the way, it's Friday, so it's Hawaiian Shirt Friday. I don't know if you can see it on Instagram, but thank you to many of you. I got, and I know this is way off topic, but we can have fun, okay? I ordered 5 different U.S.-made Hawaiian shirts. So thank you to all of you guys. And, man, the one company, oh, crap. There was one that was the best. Best material, construction, graphics. So thank you to everyone that gave the suggestions. I'll put it out. I can't remember. I'm struggling. But again, thank you for everyone on giving me the links to all the U.S.-made Hawaiian shirts a couple weeks ago. Dennis Charbonneau, if a stock hits its high day in pre-market, is it considered resistance? Dennis, or maybe Denise, I'm not sure. Denise, if I'm calling you Dennis, and Dennis, if I'm calling you Denise, I apologize. But the best answer I can give you is it depends on volume. It really depends on volume. Like SAVA, okay? Good example. To me, I don't really care about any of these pre-market levels on SAVA because it only traded 50,000 shares. CBAT, different story. To me, I'm looking at that $4 break on CBAT because we got that was a 1.5 million candle on CBAT. So that's the biggest difference, Dennis. So, quite a few people want you to go over TAT. What's TAT? TAT Technologies. Oh, day one SPAC. Or no, deal with Honeywell. What's this? So what is TAT? Aerospace and defense and a deal with Honeywell. But is this a SPAC? Doesn't look like it. All right. Ooh. Low float. What's this news? Let me go over to breaking news here. 10-year with Honeywell. Wow. $39 million market cap, 3 million share float. So I tell you, I'm a huge fan of TAT, or I'm a huge fan of breaking news. Honeywell, a deal with Honeywell for a small market cap company. That's huge. I'm actually a big bull of Honeywell. A lot of you know, I talk about this a lot. There's a lot of old companies that are really screwing up right now. General Electric, General Motors, Honeywell. Honeywell is a very intriguing 100-year-old company. They're getting into AI. They're getting into technology. So anyway, keep an eye on Honeywell. And then TAT is currently 50% off of its highs. So I got to wait and see what this does. But a 10-year deal with Honeywell. That's legit. A 10-year deal with HON. That's legit. This is what I would tell you. Considering it's 50% off of the morning highs, come back at noon. All right? Let's talk about TAT at noon. Let's see what TAT does. And let's talk about it at noon. Instagram. And I'm not ducking the question, okay? It's not like I'm not answering the question. It's just right now, the market's telling us, the market's not in love with this thing. Only the market, only what the market interprets matters. And this is 50% off of its highs. Now, if this can start to consolidate and break into the afternoon, definitely interesting. So, and then an SGBX. It's a dip and rip. So these guys are kind of cool. Very interesting technology. So SGBX ran back in the spring. I like this company, even though they're losing money. They do like clinics and testing centers, etc., in these like shipping containers. So very cool idea. Now they're a penny stock. They'll screw it up. This is not a long-term hold, but very, I've often thought about getting like a shipping container and doing, like an office. I kicked around doing an office in a shipping container like these guys do. Very cool technology. Standard dip and rip over 450. It's a 9 million float, traded 9 million shares. So cool tech, but a penny stock. Standard 945 dip and rip. Or afternoon hold. I did see a lot of Twitter wizards shorting this. Wizards in quotes. Shorting this. That's a good sign on a Friday. VXRT looks too sweet to miss, says Ducks Trade. No news and a lot of resistance. Not in love with VXRT. Sorry. One more and then I gotta go. KTOS. Military drones. It's a cool company. $950 million contract from the U.S. military. Love that. What's their market cap? So, geez, basically $1 billion contract with $1 billion market cap. Let's take a look at this. I'll tell you this right off the bat, considering the size of the contract, totally a swing trade idea. Slower mover, but for sure a afternoon swing idea. If this is strong, possible weekend hold too. $1 billion from the U.S. government, man. That's legit. So, all right, guys, good stuff today. See you at noon over on my personal Instagram. Again, I missed 1,000 questions. I always answer as many as I can. Love everyone being here. Love these continue to grow. But, like I said, if I missed your question, just remember, I'm back at noon. I'll be back Monday morning, and I answer as many as I can. So, have a great day. At TBOHN at noon. As always, check out the Steady Trade team. I'm doing a webinar today. Mike Huddy is doing a webinar today. It's a great way to learn and really get into the nitty-gritty. So, have a great day. We'll see you next time.